Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एडवांस्ड वोकैबुलरी. So let's start. The first word is trendy. Its meaning someone or something which is trendy is very fashionable and modern. जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में हो, बहुत fashionable और modern हो. Examples: I enjoyed purchasing trendy clothes. These shoes are trendy and up to date. Next हमारे पास है alarm, meaning to make someone worried or frightened. जो किसी को अगर किसी चीज से डर लगता है, so that means alarm. Seeing that dangerous shadow, he got alarmed. We could not see what had alarmed him. Next है frankly, meaning in an honest, truth and direct way. Example: she spoke very frankly about her experiences. Frankly, it doesn't seem right to me. Next हमारे पास है agitated, meaning very worried or upset, बहुत परेशान हो जाना. Examples: she seemed agitated about something. There is no point in getting agitated. Next word है हमारे पास salty. Its meaning bad tempered or aggressive, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में हो जाना. Examples: she was salty because she had lost the game. Why are you being salty? Next हमारे पास word है slacker. Its meaning a person who avoids work, जिसको हम कामचोर भी बोलते हैं, या जो काम नहीं करता, इग्नोर करता है. Examples: you don't deserve to be given promotion, slacker. We need hard-working employees, not slackers. Next word हमारे पास speak. Its meaning to look at something quickly and correctly. Examples: don't peek, lest they should notice you. They peeked at their father's new car from behind the window curtains. Next word हमारे पास है distinctive. It's mean unique, different from others. She got a very distinctive voice. Aisha's noodle has its distinctive taste. Next word है pertaining to. Its meaning related, belonging to. Example: write a topic pertaining to the importance of hard work. There were problems pertaining to education sector. Next word हमारे पास है taciturn. Its meaning a taciturn person does not speak very much or remain quiet, जो खामोश रहता है, ज्यादा बात नहीं करता, ज्यादा नहीं बोलता. Examples: he doesn't talk to anybody. He is taciturn person. You all siblings and talkative, but why is Mag a taciturn one? Next word है हमारे पास disposable. Its meaning a product which is purchased with intention of throwing it away after use. Examples: I purchased some disposable cups for the picnic. Don't you have disposable plates to serve? Means ऐसी चीजें जिसको हम इस्तेमाल करके फेंक दें. That is for the disposable things. Next word है हमारे पास assertive. Its meaning the one who behaves confidently and is not frightened to say what they want or believe. Examples: he is too assertive as a salesman. If you really want the promotion, you will have to be assertive. Next word हमारे पास है turmoil. A state of great disturbance, confusion, and anxiety. Examples: after attacks, the city was in turmoil. Your mind is in such a turmoil, you do not know what you are seeing. Means जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान होते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा confused होते हैं. Next word हमारे पास है tearjerker. Its meaning: a film, play, book that makes you cry. Examples: bring a pile of tissues with you when you watch that tearjerker film. I have never read such tearjerker books. Next word हमारे पास है gelast. Its meaning: a person who never laughs. जो कभी नहीं हंसा, वो ज़्यादा serious mood में रहता है. Why don't you laugh on my jokes? You are such an gelast person. Liza is an gelast. He don't laugh. Next word है हमारे पास equivocate. Its meaning: to intentionally speak in a way that is unclear and confusing, especially to hide the truth. Examples: stop equivocating, express yourself clearly. He asked her once again about that matter, and again she equivocated. So ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो रिगार्डिंग द एडवांस वोकैबुलरी. आई होप आप सबको आसानी से समझ आ गई होगी, एंड आई होप दैट यू विल ऑल यूज दैट वोकैबुलरी. सो लाइक माय वीडियोस, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस आप सबको आसानी से मिल सकें. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. हैव अ नाइस डे टू ऑल.